Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with HP printers, that pesky blinking web services light. If you're dealing with this in 2025, you're in the right place. This light usually indicates a problem with your printer's connection to HP's online services, like ePrint or firmware updates, and it's often an easy fix. Don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps in a clear, straightforward way so you can get back to printing hassle-free. First, let's understand the problem. The web services light blinks when the printer can't connect properly, often due to Wi-Fi issues or outdated settings. Start by checking your internet connection. Go to your printer's control panel, navigate to the wireless or network settings, and ensure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. If it's not, that's likely the culprit. Next, restart both your printer and your router. Turn off the printer, wait about 30 seconds, then power it back on. Do the same for your router. This simple reset can resolve temporary glitches. Once everything's back up, try enabling web services again. On the printer's screen, look for the web services option in the settings menu. If it's already enabled, disable it and then re-enable it to refresh the connection. Now, hop on your computer and visit the official HP website. Log into your HP account. Go to the eServices or Web Services section and make sure your printer is registered and claimed. If there's an update available, download and install it through the HP Smart app or directly from the site. Speaking of updates, check for firmware updates specific to your printer model. Head to the HP support page, enter your model number, and follow the instructions to update the firmware. This can fix compatibility issues. If the light still won't stop blinking, you might need to reset the printer's network settings. Go to the Settings menu, find the Network Reset option, and confirm. Remember, this will erase saved networks, so you'll have to reconnect afterward. And there you have it. Your HP printer should be good as new. If you follow these steps, you'll likely resolve the issue quickly. If not, leave a comment below, and I'll help troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped you out. See you in the next video.